Okay, so right here you got to make sure that the bail and the stocking is on top of each other. You'll use a zigzag stitch to make sure that the bail and the stocking is secure, and you can take the bottom part off of your sewing machine to pull the stocking and the bail on there for a perfect circle to go around while you're sewing. And you'll see me flipping the fabric over a couple of times just to make sure that the stocking is not snagging on the side where I make sure the fabric goes all the way around. Then right here you'll see me do a back stitch just to secure and make sure it doesn't come apart. And here it is, your bail is complete. Yay!